Good evening, I'm CBN Financial's Aya host with your market update. Here, what investors need to know today. U.S. equity markets moved cautiously today as investors awaited the outcome of the year's final policy meeting by Federal Reserve later this week. The major indexes ended mostly mixed. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P 500 drifted slightly lower or held nearly flat, while the Nasdaq Composite ticked up, supported by strength in technology and growth names. Markets are riding renewed hopes that the Fed may cut interest rates soon, a sentiment bolstered by softer inflation signals and other economic data. That said, rising bond yields remain a headwind, adding a bit of caution to investor sentiment. In individual stock news, one standout, Carvana, saw a sharp jump, with shares rising over 8% in pre-market trading, after the company was announced as a new member of the S&P 500 later this month. That kind of index inclusion tends to draw in passive fund buying, creating momentum in newer entrants. Meanwhile, market watchers are also flagging a broader macro-level concern. According to the Bank for International Settlements, BIS, rising retail investor exuberance, both in U.S. equities and gold, may be inflating valuations to bubble-like levels, which could expose markets to sharp corrections if sentiment reverses. For investors, the takeaway is twofold. If the Fed signals a rate cut this week, rate-sensitive sectors and growth stocks may get a boost, but elevated bond yields and stretched valuations warrant caution. Stocks added to major indexes, like Carvana, may see short-term trading momentum, but long-term investors should weigh fundamentals carefully, especially in a potentially frothy environment. That's your CBN Financial Market Update. Good evening,